Guys, we're here in a 2009 Nissan Altima slot. One of the things I always tell people is to check this slot to make sure it functions before doing a spare key. As you can see, it was lighting up. No key detected, and that's in the slot. It was beeping earlier with the door open, as you can hear. It's beeping, the light lights up. This key is programmed, but doesn't start it. So make sure before you put into learn mode that your slot works, or else you're going to be deleting all the keys. So I keep one in stock just in case. Just one little plug. You can look up here and it goes like right in here. So in the event you have this issue, you keep one in stock so you can still program. Oh, oops. Stick that in. And that's why you keep one in stock. So make sure you guys pick one of those up before you run into issues. All right, guys, we're here in a 2009 Nissan Altima, and it is a push-to-start slot prox. Our slot is not working. Oh, this might have been an 8. Our slot is not working, and we're trying to do a spare key, so we keep a slot in prox, or a slot in stock, just for that reason. Oh, I got out the key in the pocket. As you can see, we have it hanging down here because theirs is not working. Oop. Got it on. Okay. All right, so we're going to shut it off. It's off. All right, turn it on, see if we get some flashes. As you can see right up there, it's flashing 5 times. Okay. Yes, we want to do more keys, so we're going to shut that off. So it's off. All right, so we're going to take this one out. Put our new prox in, or our refurb, whatever you want to call it. Hit OK. All right, so we'll turn that to the on position. See it up there, flashing 5 times. Hit OK. No. So we're going to shut it off. Remove the key from the slot. All right. Hit OK. Stick our first key back in there. Sorry, it's hanging, so it's a little harder to do one-handed in video. All right, and we're going to turn the ignition on. Ignition's on. Hit OK. Shut it off. And you hear the steering wheel lock. We're good to go. I'm just going to go ahead and... That's our new one. And the original. And that is it. Again, guys, make sure you keep one of those slots in stock, because the minute you put it in learn mode, it deletes all the keys. Brought to you by Advanced Diagnostics.